Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to check out the Roborock Q8 Max Plus intelligent floor cleaning robot.
And Roborock sent us this for the review.
All right, so this robot mops, vacuums,
And empties itself, at least the dirt, into its own dock.
all right, so let's open it up and check it out.
All right.
This is the quick start guide on the other side.
Oh, pretty cool. So it shows you what's in the box. So on the top, it looks like there's the base and then the robot. Did you name the robot yet?
I have named the robot Francis.
Cool.
Francis with an IS, in case you're wondering.
And then the disposable dock, and then the mop module, and then looks like disposable dust bags. And then they give you instructions on how to put it together. It looks pretty straightforward, and how to hook it up to the app. All right, let's check it out.
Let's go.
So what do we have?
This is the base. There's the robot.
All right, look at the little sweeper thing for catching the corners.
Swivelly.
Swivelly wheels, and then the rollers that go both ways, right?
Oh,
So they kind of
cool.
really does a good job of catching things, the wheels. And it looks like some sort of bin. We're going to learn what's all about. Oh, very nice.
Oh, that was
very
fun.
nice.
Oh, it's very shiny.
Very
This
shiny.
must be to get the app. Safety guidelines and certification.
It's the mop.
It's the mop.
You can feel how nice it is.
Nice and
Yeah.
soft.
So it's pre-installed on this plastic thing, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's cool.
All right. Here is the power cord.
Oh, dust bag.
This is the dust bag.
Dust bag, yeah, that must be what that is. Ooh, and that's the vacuum, or what is it, the base where it stores all the dust after you collected it?
I think so.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Oh, there you are. Oh, look at that. See, look, that was the dust bag.
Oh, there's that. So we have a spare dust bag.
Yeah.
There's one preloaded. This goes over it.
Now, that's nice that they have it preloaded so we don't have to mess with it. Okay, let's put it together. So I put this thing upside down as they instructed, and the power cord goes here, and there's a place to wrap the cable. So I'm going to put that on first. So here we go. Power cable plugged in. Wrap this around. And then we're going to mount the base. Now the base is cool because the screws you need, there's 6 of them, are already pre-assembled, already on here. And just put that on there. All right. And tighten the screws. What's nice is it just lines up. I don't have to worry about hooking the screws in correctly and losing one and so forth. Everything's right here. All right, 2 more to go. All right, they're all on. It's on snug. And I just noticed they give you an Allen wrench and a screwdriver, so I could have just used this one here to tighten down the base. All right, let's turn it over and take a look. There we go. There's the base. And there it is. It's all assembled. Now we just got to go put it on the wall where we keep it in the kitchen, and we're all set. Okay, so we have tile floors, so we're going to need the mop. So first thing you have to do, pull out the water compartment, pull open this tab, fill it with water. Make sure you seal it back up. And plug it back in. Now we have to hook up the mop. The mop goes right here. This is how the mop looks. And there's these 2 buttons on the side here. Keep note of that because that's how you take it off. And basically you just take this, put it on here, line it up, slide it on, clicks in place. All right, like that. And if I want to take it off, press those buttons, off it comes. Okay, we have Francis's home all set. Let's put him on the base so he can charge.
Charging.
While the Q8 charges, install the Roborock app from the App Store. Create an account and press the plus. Scanning the QR code in the top of the Q8 and setting your Wi-Fi info. It will set itself up and ask you if you want map saving on. You do. and if you have more than one floor. Be sure to turn on offline map so you can find the Q8 if it runs out of power. We chose less collision mode, and then let the firmware update. Now let's do a quick mapping.
Starting mapping.
Okay, when you use the Roborock, keep in mind this is great for cleaning floors and carpet and everything else as a vacuum cleaner. But if you want to mop, you want to make sure that when you mop, only mop in the rooms that have floors that are appropriate for mopping. So you just take and get this cloth wet, make sure you've got water in the unit here, and you slide this in the bottom. Snaps right on, and I can remove it. It's that easy.
Starting selective room cleaning.
Okay, that is the Roborock Q8 Max Plus intelligent floor cleaning robot.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Charging. Emptying dust bin.